Hello friends and welcome back to episode 2 of Baking with Blends. Today we are going to be using my great-great-great-great-great-grandpappy's recipe for ending blends. These are blends that we are going to find at the ends of words. And just like last week's blends, we are going to use a pinch of one consonant and a dash of another consonant. We're going to blend it really well to make one sound, and then we're going to read and enjoy. Now, I've already started us out this week by bringing in my handy dandy baking sheet, and I've already got some words started with the beginning sounds, the beginning consonants and vowels of different words. So let's get started, shall we? I have my bowl here and my best mixing spoon. And I'm going to start with the consonant M and the consonant P. And I'm going to blend them up. Blend, 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 mix, mix, mix. And I am going to end up with the blend MP. 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 Like in jump. So we have now made the word jump. Now let's try again. I'm going to take the consonant D and the consonant N, and I'm going to mix the N and the D, and we are going to end up with the blend ND, like in the word end. End. Next, we're going to mix the consonant T and the consonant N, and we're going to mix, blend, 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 and we're going to end up with the blend nt. So let's see, like in int, tint, right? Good job. So now we have MP, that makes that M, ND, that makes that ND, NT, that makes that NT. And now let's try mixing the consonant N and the consonant K. And we will mix, and we will come up with the sound nk. Like in ink, ink. NK says that ink sound, like in ink. Now let's mix up the consonant X and the consonant T. And we mix, blend, blend, blend. And we get the consonant blend of xt, like in next. Next. That X and T blend together to make one sound, xt, like in next. Now we have one more left. We're going to use a T and the consonant F for this blend. And we're mixing and blending it together. And we are going to get the consonant blend of ft. We only have one spot to put it, and it will make the word lift. So that consonant blend sound makes a ft sound. So anytime I see it when I'm reading words, I know it's going to say ft, like in lift. Great job today, guys. Thank you so much for helping me make my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandpappy's recipe for ending blends. You guys helped make me some delicious blends today, and I cannot wait to see what you've learned from today's lesson. Make sure you show me what you know on the activity on the next slide.